Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the office. Today I have this wireless microphone set that we're going to give a shot to. This is 2.4 Gs, live show, whatever, I don't know. We're going to check this thing out. It should be super simple to do, and I'm recording on my phone now without a microphone, so we'll see if it sounds any better once I plug it in. So let's open this up and see what's inside. I mean, this is the barcode and information for it if you need it. And it comes with some instructions here. It says wireless microphone. I've used some of these kind of lavalier mics before, and they're simple. You basically just plug them in and they're ready to go. So we're gonna give this thing a shot. So let's see what it comes with here. So it comes with, very fuzzy. It comes with these that have the wind protector kind of things on it. So that's kind of cool. So it comes with two microphones. And then we have our thing that plugs into the bottom of the phone to the transmitter, I guess. What's in these things here? And then, hi Olive.
Hi.
I already did the thing. I put the screen protector on there. You're good to go. Yeah.
Are you doing a microphone now?
I am. And then we have a couple of charging cables that are USB-C.
Oh, sweet.
And let's see what else we got in here. It comes with some extra little fuzzy stuff that goes in the top and some clips. And I'm going to plug it in and I'll give the sound a try in just a second. Okay, so I'm back and I plugged it in. You see there's a little light on it, and I think I don't know whatever color it is. Yellow means it's connected. I read it for a second, and then if I push it, sorry, you probably didn't hear that. Blue means it's muted. So this should be connected right now. So let's give this thing a try and see how I sound. So hopefully I sound good. Hopefully I don't look too silly with this on. Looks like I have a pom-pom on my shirt. But if I don't like that one there, I can always put, since I took them here, I can show you, we just basically pull this off, and I can put on the traditional looking one here. Well, it's hard to do right now, but you can see that fuzzy one there. So that'll just be a regular fuzzy lavalier mic. So very cool. And I like the way it came with the extra clips, so I can, if I break them or something like that, I can clip them on or whatever. Very good. So hopefully this sounds good. You guys be the judge. Hopefully it sounds better. And then I guess if you have two of them, I can show you here. So if I turn the second one on, hopefully it'll connect, and you can tell it's connected because it has the light on. Then you can talk up here, so you could actually be talking to you and holding it up to the other person, or two people can be having a conversation and use it. So very cool. Like it. So thumbs up from me. And this is again the wireless microphone set for the lavalier mics, and great if you're doing interviews or anything like that. So give me some thumbs up. Super awesome. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.